हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, इस वीडियो में हम एक्सरसाइज 3.4 का लास्ट टाइप ऑफ इंटीग्रेशन बाय पार्शियल फ्रैक्शन दैट इज इंटीग्रेशन एफ एक्स अपॉन जी एक्स, जिसमें कि जी एक्स हैज रिपीटेड लीनियर फैक्टर्स. So this type we are going to start in this video. Look at the exercise 3.4 question number 14, that 5x square 20x plus 6 upon x cube 2x square plus x dx. So if you take x common from here, it will be x square plus 2x plus 1. ये x plus 1 का square है. So simplify this 5x square 20x plus 6 upon denominator will become x into x plus 1 whole square, that is x square plus 2x plus 1. तो ये factors of gx. So gx has repeated linear factors. मतलब ये x plus 1 factor क्या हो रहा है, repeat हो रहा है, x plus 1 into x plus 1. So how we solve this type of examples? A upon, we write it as a upon x, b upon x plus 1, और ये x plus 1 फैक्टर रिपीट हुआ है इसलिए c upon x plus 1 whole square. Now LCM of the denominator will become x into x plus 1 square, x into x plus 1 square will be LCM. a into, यहाँ पे x ऑलरेडी है, x plus 1 square, then plus b into एक x और एक x plus 1 plus c into x plus 1 square already है, so x is less here, so write it x. Numerator of this left hand side is 5x square 20x plus 6. Right hand side का numerator है a into this, so we equate them. 5x square plus 20x plus 6 is equal to a into x plus 1 whole square, b x plus 1, c into x. Now to get values of constants a, b and c, put x is equals to 0 over here. यहाँ पे x is equal to 0 रखते हैं. So if you put x is equals to 0 here, then this part will be 0, this part will be 0, and it will be 6 is equal to a into 0 plus 1 square. That means a is equal to 6. So we will be getting a is equal to 6. Then to get b, here we put x is equals to 1, minus 1. So if we put x is equals to minus 1, put x is equals to minus 1, minus 1 square, that is 5. Here we will get 5 plus 20 into minus 1, minus 20 plus 6. Right hand side x is equals to minus 1, इसमें 0 होगा, ये 0 होगा, और x is equals to minus 1 will put here. So c into minus 1, this is minus 9, it is equal to minus c, therefore c is equal to what? 9. a मिला है, c मिला है, we will find b. So b find करने के लिए we will equate the coefficient of x square from either side. Coefficient of x square we equate from both sides. Coefficient of x square we equate from both sides. Here coefficient of x square in the left hand side is 5. यहाँ पे 5 है. यहाँ पे right hand side में if we expand this, it will be x square plus 2x plus 1. मतलब x square का कोएफिशिएंट होगा a. इसको हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे x into x, x square and b. So कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ x square is b. यहाँ पे हमको कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ x square नहीं मिलने वाला है. a is equal to 6. Therefore substitute over here, a is equal to 6. 5 is equal to 6 plus b, and b will be equal to 5 minus 6 minus 1. That means coefficients are a is equal to 6, b is equal to minus 1, and c is equal to C is equal to 9. So A, B, C you are getting constants. A, B, C we are getting. A is B is equal to -1, C is equal to 9, and A is equal to 6. So here from this expression, now integration of the left hand side is nothing but integration of this. Therefore I is equal to integration of A. What is our A? A is 6. 6 upon x dx plus B. B is -1. -1 upon x plus 1 dx plus C. C is 9. 9 upon x plus 1 whole square dx. Now it is simple integration, that dx upon x plus a, and this is x plus 1 raised to power -2. Taking these constants outside, I is equal to 6 integral dx upon x minus integral dx upon x plus 1, then 9 integral x plus 1 raised to power -2 dx. Log of x plus 1, and this is x raised to power -2 plus 1 upon -2 plus 1. 6 log of x minus log of x plus 1 plus 9 x plus 1 raised to power -2 plus 1, that is -1 upon -1 plus c, so that we can put the answer in this form. ये आंसर हम इस फॉर्म में रख सकते हैं. 6 log of x minus log of x plus 1, that is log of x raised to power 6 upon this. It is log of x raised to power 6 upon x plus 1 minus 9 upon x plus 1. So minus 9 upon x plus 1 plus c constant. This will be the answer. Question number 15. 1 upon x, 1 plus 4x cube, 3x to the power 6 dx. Here x raised to power 3 and square we can write. X raised to power 3 and its square. मतलब this expression is quadratic in x cube, and here it is x. If you multiply x square, so numerator को आपको x square मिलेगा, यहाँ पे x cube which is derivative of, okay, x cube derivative is x square. Here 3x square, that means x square is there in the numerator. So multiply numerator and denominator by x square. This gives us x square upon x square into x, that is x cube, 1 plus 4x cube, 3x cube, and square, that x raised to power 6 dx. Now if we put t is equal to what we did here, multiplied by x square, numerator and denominator. यहाँ पे x square मल्टीप्लाई किया, यहाँ पे x square मल्टीप्लाई किया, so this gives us x cube. Put t is equal to x cube, therefore dt by dx is equal to 3x square. So dt upon 3 is equal to x square into dx, which is there, x square into dx, that is equal to what? Dt upon 3. So I integral will be equal to x square dx is dt by 3, dt upon 3, and the denominator is here x cube is t, 1 plus 4t and plus 3t square. So 1 by 3 right outside the integral, 1 by 3 इंटीग्रल साइन के बाहर लिखेंगे हम, dt upon 3t square plus 4t plus 1 and into what t. तो इसके वापस हम फैक्टर्स फाइंड करेंगे. So factors are this 3 into 1, that is 3. We factorize 3 plus 1, that is 4. Here middle term, that means 3t square 4t plus 1, it is equal to 3t square 3t plus t plus 1, that means factors are 3t plus 1 and t plus 1. 3t taking common, here t plus 1, here t plus 1. So 3t plus 1 and t plus 1 are the factors. So that our integral I will become 1 by 3 integral dt upon 3t square 4t plus 1, that is equal to 3t plus 1 t plus 1 and this t. Means these are linear factors, non-repeated linear factors. So 1 upon 3t plus 1 t plus 1 and t you can write as a upon t plus b upon t plus 1 plus c upon 3t plus 1. So LCM of the denominator is t plus 1 and 3t plus 1. So 3t plus 1 and t plus 1 is multiplied over here. हम खाली न्यूमरेटर इक्वेट करते हैं. न्यूमरेटर विल बी इक्वल टू a इंटू ये दो फैक्टर्स मल्टीप्लाई करने होंगे t प्लस 1 एंड 3t प्लस 1. यहाँ पे ये दो फैक्टर्स मल्टीप्लाई करने होंगे b इंटू t इंटू 3t प्लस 1 प्लस c इंटू t एंड t प्लस 1 t and t plus 1. Now if you put t is equal to 0 over here, both sides, ये 0 होगा, ये लास्ट के दो टर्म्स 0 होंगे. Put t is equal to 0. First we put t is equal to 0 over here. 1a 0 plus 1. This is 0 plus 1 again, that is 1. Means a will be equal to 1. So we are getting a is equal to 1. Then put t is equal to, if you put t is equal to minus 1. Over here we put t is equal to minus 1, then 1 is equal to, ये 0 होगा, ये 0 होगा, because t plus 1 term is there, t plus 1 term is there. So these two terms will reduce to 0. b into minus 1, we are putting t is equal to minus 1, so it is 3 into minus 1 plus 1, then 1 is equal to minus b, and this is minus 3. Minus 3 plus 1 minus 2, and this minus. It is plus 2b. Therefore, you will get b is equal to 1 by 2. We are getting b is equal to 1 by 2. Now we find c. To get c, our substitution t is equal to x cube over here. This is to remember, t is equal to x cube, we substitute. Now put t is equal to get c, we will put t is equal to what? Minus 1 upon 3. So here you put t is equal to, we put t is equal to minus 1 upon 3. Minus 1 upon 3. Then 1 is equal to a into, see minus 1 upon 3, so this will reduce to 0, this will reduce to 0. So खाली c लिखना है हमको, c into minus 1 upon 3, and here minus 1 upon 3 plus 1, that is c into minus 1 upon 3, and this is 3 minus 1, that is 2 by 3. 2 by 3, so here left hand side is 1, so c is equal to 9 by 2 minus. So we are getting c is equal to minus 9 by 2, a is equal to 1, and b is equal to 1 by 2. So we are getting a, b and c constants. So we apply that over here. Here a is equal to 1, b is equal to, and 1 by 3 is multiplied to all. 1 by 3 is multiplied and integration of that. So therefore from this you can write it 1. So integral I is equal to 1 by 3 into integral of this is what? Integration of this. So integration of a is 1 upon t dt plus b upon t plus 1. B is 1 by 2 upon t plus 1 dt plus integral c is 9 by 2, minus 9 by 2 over here, minus 9 by 2 upon 3t plus 1 dt. This completes because 1 by 3 is multiplied to all. Then अभी ये बहुत सिंपल हो गया. It is of the form dx upon x log of x, dx upon x plus a log of x plus a, dx upon ax plus b, which is log of ax plus b upon a. 1 by 3 into this integral is log t 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 will write outside, 1 by 2 into log of t plus 1 minus 9 by 2 into log of 3t plus 1 upon 3, so that this 3 is getting cancelled. It is 3 over here multiplied by, see, 9 by 2 and this 3 will get cancelled, so it is 1 by 3 log of t is x cube or t is x cube, so log of x cube 1 by 2 log of x cube plus 1 and minus 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2 log of 3x cube plus 1 plus c. This 3 we can multiply over here. This 3 we can multiply over here, or 1 by 2 you will take common, so that it is 1 by 6 3 log of x cube. We are taking 1 by 2 common, so it is 2 log of x cube. Then it is, after taking 1 by 2 common, log of x cube plus 1 minus 3 log of 3x cube plus 1 plus c. This whole term together we can write as log of x cube and raised to power 2, it is x raised to power 6 plus into log of x cube plus 1 into log of x, so plus log of x cube plus 1 means into, and this will be goes in denominator and raised to power 3. So we can put the whole term as, the complete answer you can put in this form. 1 by 6 तो बाहर है, और इंटीग्रल I will be equal to 1 by 6, ये log of x raised to power 6. Why it is 6? Because here multiplied by 2 and x raised to power 3. So this power will goes here and it becomes x raised to power 6 into x cube plus 1 upon this power will goes here raised to power 3. So upon 3x cube plus 1 raised to power 3. So this form also we can put the answer. Yeah, this answer is sufficient. Question number 16, dx अपॉन 1 माइनस एक्स क्यूब है. तो 1 माइनस एक्स क्यूब के फैक्टर्स हम देखते हैं. 1 माइनस एक्स क्यूब 1 माइनस ए क्यूब माइनस बी क्यूब, ए माइनस बी ए स्क्वायर प्लस ए बी प्लस बी स्क्वायर. सो 1 माइनस एक्स क्यूब के फैक्टर्स ये हुए. इसमें एक फैक्टर है क्वाड्रेटिक फैक्टर विच इज इरिड्यूसिबल टू द लीनियर फैक्टर. ये फैक्टर लीनियर है बट ये क्या है, क्वाड्रेटिक फैक्टर है. इसका पावर 2 है. मतलब इस टाइप का एग्जांपल्स, ये these are included in this type of the examples. fx upon gx, that is rational function, proper rational function. इसमें gx जो है, gx has quadratic factor, at least one factor is what, quadratic factor. So ये factor जो है quadratic factor है. So इसमें हम partial fractions we can put like this: 1 upon 1 minus x cube, that is factors are this 1 minus x and 1 plus x into x plus x square. So we can put the partial fractions a upon 1 minus x plus b upon bx plus c upon, ये ज़्यादा important है, bx plus c. You remember that where gx has a quadratic factor. Here the type has changed. Till now non-repeated linear factors होता है, या उसके बाद में linear factors but repeated linear factors. और अभी जो टाइप है, one factor is quadratic factor which is irreducible to the linear factor. मतलब हम इसको reduce नहीं कर सकते linear factors में. Suppose we are having these factors x square minus 4. These can be reduced x minus 2 x plus 2 linear factor में. अगर ये प्लस है तो इसको रिड्यूस नहीं कर सकते. We cannot reduce it to linear factors. So another factor is x square plus x plus 1. Then a and b, a, b and c is to be find out. आपका न्यूमरेटर ये 1 है यहाँ पे, ये a into x square plus x plus 1 plus bx plus c into 1 minus x. If you put x is equals to 1 over here, put x is equals to 1, आपको एक कोई तो कांस्टेंट मिलेगा. So यहाँ पे x is equals to 1, बट यहाँ पे कांस्टेंट टर्म है तो makes no difference. a into ये पार्ट 0 होगा because we are putting x is equals to 1. So ये लिखने का है, आपको a मिलेगा 1 plus 1 plus 1, x is equal to 1 रखते हैं आप. So it is a is equal to what, 1 by 3. ये 3 होगा, 3 into a is 1, so a is 1 by 3. Constant a is equal to 1 by 3 you got. अभी randomly we put what, x is equal to 0. x का कुछ भी वैल्यू, बट मिनिमम वैल्यू अगर रखते हैं आप 0, so it makes what, easy. So x is equal to 0 रखते हैं. So both sides we put x is equals to 0, then it is 1 a, ये 0 0 1 1, यहाँ पे 0 यहाँ पे 0 1, plus b part 0 होगा, b into 0 plus c, so c into 1 minus 0, that is 1. That means a plus c is equal to 1. A plus c is equal to 1. But we are having a is 1 by 3 है, so c will be equal to, here a is 1 by 3, therefore c is equal to what, 1 by 3 plus c, it is equal to 1, therefore c is equal to 1 minus 1 by 3, which is 2 by 3, we are getting C. So after getting C, question number 16, मैंने 1 minus, instead of x cube minus 1, I wrote there 1 minus x cube. So we begin with question number 16 again. Integral dx upon factors of x cube minus 1, x minus 1, x square plus x plus 1. These are the factors. Now this factor is quadratic factor. So we put partial fraction x minus 1, x square plus x plus 1 as a upon x minus 1 plus this factor is quadratic factor, so bx plus c will be the numerator and x square plus x plus 1. Now a, b, c we have to find. So numerator is a 1 here, यहाँ पे a into this x square plus x plus 1, bx plus c into cross multiplication x minus 1. Now if you put x is equals to 1 over here, then you will get a. We put x is equals to 1, so this will reduce to 0. Put x is equals to 1, so 1 is equal to a into 1 plus 1 plus 1, and this is 0. So you will be getting a is equal to 1 by 3. Then put x is equals to 0. We put x is equals to 0. So 1, both sides we put x is equals to 0. 1 is equal to a into 0, 0 and 1 plus ये part 0 होगा c into 0 minus 1, that is a minus c. A minus c is equal to 1, and as we want to find c, so a minus 1 is equal to c. Therefore c is equal to, substitute a is equal to 1 by 3, so c is equal to 1 by 3 minus 1, 1 by 3 minus 1. यहाँ पे a substitute किया है. c will be equals to minus 2 by 3, 3 and 1 minus 3 upon, that is 3, minus 2 by 3 c. Now to find p, equate coefficients of x square from both sides. We equate coefficients of x square from both sides. यहाँ पे x square टर्म नहीं है लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में, so its coefficient will be 0. a into x square, so a is the coefficient of x square. b, x and x, so b into x square, so b is the coefficient of x square. बाकी कोई टर्म में x square टर्म नहीं आएगी, so a plus b will be the coefficient of x square from right hand side. But a is equal to 1 by 3. 1 by 3 plus b, that is b is equal to minus 1 by 3. Thus you are getting a, b, c coefficient constants. After getting constants a, b, c, a constant, b constant and c constant, सब constant find करने के बाद वापस आते हैं इस पे इंटीग्रल पे. Integral is put in the partial fractions. A upon x minus 1, so a is 1 by 3, 1 by 3 upon x minus 1 dx plus bx, b आता है minus 1 by 3 x and minus 2 by 3 c, minus 2 by 3 upon x square plus x plus 1 dx. 1 by 3 constant outside the integral dx upon x minus 1. यहाँ पे minus 1 by 3 you can take outside integral x plus 2 upon 2x plus x plus 1 dx. Taking minus 1 by 3 outside the integral sign, यहाँ पे x और यहाँ पे 2 बचता है. Derivative of this is what x square plus x. Derivative of x square 2x and 1. So 2x plus 1 is required here in the numerator. 1/3 इसका इंटीग्रेशन आएगा log of x minus 1 minus 1/6 will write. Why we wrote 6 here? Multiplied numerator and denominator by 2. ये 2 inside the integral लिखना है आपको. So it gives us 2x plus 4 upon x square plus x plus 1 dx. Now we need to evaluate this integral. ये evaluate करेंगे हम integral. So how we evaluate it? First of all separate करेंगे. यहाँ पे derivative of x square plus x plus 1 is 2x plus 1. तो यहाँ पे 2x plus 1 लिखते हैं. Integral I is equal to 1/3 log of x minus 1 minus 1/6 integral 2x plus 1 and plus 3 upon 4 को ब्रेक करते 1 plus 3 upon x square plus x plus 1 dx. यहाँ तक derivative of this. So again we separate the integral. 1/3 log of x minus 1 minus 1/6 integral of 2x plus 1 upon x square plus x plus 1 dx minus 1/6 and this 3 minus 1/6 into 3 integral of dx upon x square plus x plus 1. इसको हम मेथड ऑफ कंप्लीटिंग स्क्वायर से हम इवेल्युएट कर सकते हैं. 1/3 log of x minus 1. ये f dash of x upon fx इस फॉर्म में है. f dash of x upon fx dx जिसका आंसर होता है log of fx. So log of x square plus x plus 1 होगा minus 1/6 log of x square plus x plus 1. This 3 is getting cancelled. यहाँ पे 2 आएगा minus 1/2 minus 1/2 integral dx upon x square plus x. Half the coefficient of x is 1/2. So 1/4 add and subtract here. Minus 1/4 plus 1. 1/3 log x minus 1 minus 1/6 log x square plus x plus 1. 1/2 integral dx upon यहाँ तक होगा x plus 1/2 whole square. x plus 1/2 whole square. और ये इवेल्युएट करना होगा आपको. 4 minus 1 that is 3/4. 4 minus 1 it is 3/4. Now this integral is of the form. जो लास्ट इंटीग्रल है वो आपको इस फॉर्म में आएगा x square plus a square. 1/3 log of x minus 1 minus 1/6 log of x square plus x plus 1. 1/2 integral dx upon x plus 1/2 whole square plus root 3/2 whole square. Now it is of the form dx upon x square plus a square, which is 1 upon a tan inverse of x upon a. So answer is this. 1 upon a tan inverse of x upon a. पहले दो इंटीग्रल एज इट इज. 1/3 log x minus 1 minus 1/6 log x square plus x plus 1 minus 1/2 into 1 upon a. 1 upon a means what? 1 upon root 3/2. That means 2/√3. 2 by root 3 tan inverse of x upon a, or x is this or a is this, x plus 1 by 2 upon root 3 by 2 plus c. So that the complete answer we write, e2 और e2 cancel होगा, and the complete answer we can write as one by 3 log of x minus 1, 1 by 6 log of x square plus x plus 1 minus 1 upon root 3 tan inverse of, simplify करेंगे हम, 2x plus 1 upon 2 and root 3 upon 2, so that it gives us tan inverse of 2x plus 1 upon 2 and root 3 upon 2, that root 3 upon 2 and this 2x plus 1 upon 2, so 2 is getting cancelled over here plus c, so it is the complete answer. क्वेश्चन नंबर 17, यहाँ पे सब्स्टिट्यूशन है, sin x, this we can express in terms of sin x, so that if you put sin x is equal to t, so यहाँ पे cos x dx है. So first we express in terms of sin x, so it is 3 sin x minus 2 into cos x dx upon denominator 5 minus 4 sin x minus 1 minus sin square x. Simplify it again, 3 sin x minus 2 cos x dx upon denominator is 5 and minus 4, that is 4, so it is minus of minus plus sin square x minus 4 sin x, और ये 5 minus 1 again plus 4. Now if you put t is equal to sin x, t is equal to sin x, therefore dt by dx is equal to cos x and dt is equal to cos x dx, so that integral 3t minus 2 and this is what dt upon t square minus 4t plus 4, which is square of t plus 2, integral 3t minus 2 dt and the denominator is t minus 2 whole square, t minus 2 whole square. Now we put in the partial fraction 3t minus 2 upon t minus 2 whole square, that we put in the partial fraction a upon, ये repeated linear factor है, this is what linear factor but it is repeated 2 times, so therefore it belongs to that type, that is repeated linear factors, a upon t plus t minus 2 plus b upon t minus 2 square. Then a and b we find, constants a and b we find, 3t minus 2 is the numerator over here, LCM of the denominator is t minus 2 square, t minus 2 square, here also t minus 2 square, a into one factor we multiply a into t minus 2 plus b, equating the numerators 3t minus 2 a into t minus 2 plus b, t is equal to 2, t is equal to 2, then this is what 3 into 2 minus 2 is equal to a into 0 plus b, and 6 minus 2, that is b is equal to 4, we will be getting b is equal to 4. Then put t is equal to, whatever we put t is equal to 0 or whatever, so t is equal to 0 we put, then this is minus 2, here minus 2 and here a into 0 minus 2 plus b. Now we have b is equal to 4, so minus 2a minus 2a plus 4, so that 2a is equal to 6 and a is equal to 3 we are getting. This 2 will be here, b is 4 minus 2a we take in the left hand side and 2 will take here, so a is equal to 3. So we are getting a, b, write here a and b and integrate. So integral I is equal to a upon t minus 2. So a is 3 upon t minus 2 dt plus b is 4 upon t minus 2 square, 4 upon t minus 2 square, t minus 2 square dt. Now our integral after substitution, it is in terms of t and then again we resubstitute t is equal to sin x. यहाँ पे 3 इंटीग्रल dt अपॉन t माइनस 2 आएगा प्लस 4 t माइनस 2 रेज टू पावर माइनस 2 dt. दिस इज 3 log of t minus 2 plus 4 t minus 2 रेज टू पावर माइनस 1 n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus c, which is 3 log t minus 2 minus 4 upon t minus 2, and now t is equal to sin x. So integral I is equal to 3 log of sin x minus 2 minus 4 upon sin x minus 2 plus c is the answer.